Most people think that Meta AI deleted its image and video generation feature, but the good news is they didn't delete it. They just moved it to a new brand standalone platform called Vibes.ai. And in this video, we're gonna test it out and see how it works. To access this platform, go to your favorite search engine and write Vibes.ai. Click on the first website and hit login. Click login again, and that's it. You are logged in. There's a few changes here as you can see. Like for example, to start generating videos or images, you have to create a project first. So let's do that. Now we can generate videos from this chat box down there, but you're gonna notice that we have new features. First, we can switch between 480p and 720p video resolution. We have more control over the video by adding a start and end frame images. And we have the ingredients that makes us control the scene and the style of the generated video or image. But when it comes to the character, it didn't work well for me, and I kind of feel it's broken. Let me know in the comments if you know how to use it to achieve nice results. Anyway, let's start by creating images and then animate it. First, I want to choose a scene for the image. We can do that by clicking on Ingredients, then Library, then choosing the one you want. And to confirm, click on Add to Prompt. Also, I want to choose a style, and the process to do that is kinda exactly like before. Now we write the prompt, which is gonna be very simple. A BMW stopped in the middle of the road. Since we have 4 images, I'm gonna choose a random one and then auto-animate it. The animation is kinda not bad in my opinion, but let's try to animate the same image manually. Well, it's not bad as well, though I have some comments. Now, let's try the text-to-video feature. I'm gonna switch to 720p video resolution, and my prompt is gonna be a BMW speeding on the road. Well, it generated 4 videos, which is really nice. Let's watch all of them together. For each video, there is auto-extend feature and also manual extend if you want to be specific about how to extend it. The process is kinda exactly like the auto and manual animate feature from before. Anyway, now as you can see, all generations are vertical, but it's still possible to generate horizontal videos by using the image to video feature. Simply upload horizontal image and then select it as a start frame. Then tell the AI what you want to do with it. And the results are going to be horizontal as well. You can also right-click and open the video in a new tab to see it better and also to download it. And that's it for today. If you like this video, make sure to leave a nice comment down there and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.